Hey, in this short video I will show you how I tried Bybit copy trading feature and here is results. Copy trading allows you to automatically copy all trades of the trader you subscribed. Before starting, please suggest any bot or strategy that I can try and I will make a video about it. Okay, as I know, Bybit is the first crypto platform that has developed the copy trading feature, so I will use Bybit. If you don't have an account, you can use the link in the description to make it. You will get less trading fees and some bonuses. Then I go to the copy trading page. Here you can see a lot of master trades you can follow to copy trades. I have to say it can be professionals, or even newbies. Bybit shows here traders by some categories, depends on the current results. Like top traders by profit, balanced traders by profit and risks, new traders with a big profit, the most followed, and other. You can get all master traders list. Here you can set filters as you want and find the trader you want. But I will go to top traders and want to find one with the biggest profit. I can't follow the first one, I can only join to waitlist. So I will use the second trader. They have pretty good statistics. To follow the trader, click on the copy button. Then they ask you how much USDT you can invest to that trader. I will invest $150 just for testing it. I won't change any advanced settings, just copy it as is. Click copy now, and now I successfully invested my money. To check all following traders, go to assets, copy trading. And now you can see the profit of this subscription. Okay, go to the results. After 24 hours I have $165. It's 10% for only one day. In this page you can also check your copied trade history. I didn't get so much after 2 days, only plus $2. Anyway, that's good, I didn't lose money. And after 4 days I have $190. That's really good. The next day I got $6 more. It's 30% profit for 5 days. Now I think if you get the same result you can close this subscription. I was just lucky with this trader. I have to say there is some risks and you can lose some part of your money with that. Don't invest all of your money to one master trader. Manage risks and keep in mind these are just people who make mistakes too. In this video I showed you how I tried the copy trading. If you have any suggestion, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.